Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently sitting in the airport in Sydney, Australia, so thought I'd decide to show y'all what's in my carry-on. It's full. Okay, this bag is from Target. And I'm just gonna show y'all what I have in there in my legit carry-on bag. First thing, fuzzy socks, because it gets cold on the flight. And my feet got really swollen on my first 15-hour flight here, so these really helped with that. And on the other side, I have my camera bag, which is where it goes. That side pocket. Let's just go right inside. Okay, I have my Beats headphones, and then I have regular headphones to listen to like movies. I didn't use them. And then I have my AirPods, which also goes in here. So I have a bunch of packing cubes. This one has like my Apple Watch charger, laptop charger, phone charger, extra phone charger. This one has my camera equipment, so battery, memory cards, SD card reader, this thingy, and my hard drive. And then this one is empty because my phone is using it. But I put my charger and my, what is this, portable charger? Both go in here. Got all some kinds of stuff. Some Sudafed. This should be in a pouch. I got some vapor rub because on my flight I got really sick, and so this helped. And so now I put it on before the flight to just open me up so my ears don't get popping. And then I have my liquids bag. It's so beautiful. Just look at the colors in here. I'm not gonna take this stuff out, but I have face masks, I have eye masks, the nose cleaner thing. I just wanted to stay really hydrated. Okay. Dramamine, I don't know, that medicine. Toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, ear oil, a Neutrogena, moisturizer, lotion, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, deodorant, Clorox wipes. I got it all, okay? Like, this has been very handy this entire trip. What else? I got some gum. You gotta have your gum. And some candy. These are so good. And some Australian candies. They're really good. It's like little popsicles. Little popsicles. Gotta have your snacks. I have Uno cards. I mean, I love Uno. I also have my wallet. This wallet is dope. I love it. It's from Amazon. It has everything. Like, it can hold everything. So I'm that girl. Yes, I'm that girl. Anyways, y'all don't need to see my opinion. But I have stuff, okay? I have my boarding passes. I have all of my cash in here. My cards and my ID stuff. And then my passports is in here with some receipts. It's really handy. It's been helping me stay really organized too. And in the big pouch, it's a big pouch. I have my iPad and my MacBook Pro. And all of that fits in here. Oh, wait, hold on, wait a minute. In the front pouch, I have my glasses and some sunnies. Really. I also bring a rolling suitcase, which I kept like some makeup in there because I do not travel. I don't put my makeup underneath anymore. It's just a no. My camera is in there, and then I think like stuff that I bought, and it's like perfume, like stuff, okay, just a bunch of stuff. This is my essentials, what I always bring, what I need. This essentials too, but not really. Anyways, yeah, super quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because you know I'm always traveling, so I just thought I'd let you guys know what I be doing. But that is all for what I put in my carry-on. If you like this video, give me a nice thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me where you want to go. What's a dream place for you to visit, because Australia has been amazing. I recommend everyone to come here. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, share, you know, all that stuff. I don't know. Anyways, that's all for this video.